In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can put your own product into a premium encased glass like this one using ChatGPT. You just need to copy and paste the prompt and you'll get a picture that looks very authentic and realistic. So here's how you can do it. Let's go to chatgpt.com. And this time around, I'm going to be using the PlayStation 5 controller as an example. I'm going to upload a picture. Just click this button, click add photos and files, select the product and click open. Now you can click this button again and then create image just to enable that mode. And this is the prompt that you could be using. Just check the description if you want to copy this full prompt. Now let me just copy this and let's paste that to ChatGPT. Here in this prompt, there is only one thing that you need to change right here in the image bracket. So you want to specify what is the background that you want to use for this picture. If you look at my examples, you can see that every single one of them uses a different background that I would say relevant or appropriate for the product. So this is where you can specify what is the background that you think is relevant for your own product. Now here I'm going to add, let's say, a living room, modern living room as the background. And that's about it. You can hit enter or you can click this blue submit button and just wait for ChatGPT to create a picture of the product being encased by a premium glass alongside with the background that you just specified. And I'll be back in a second. Alright, so the picture has been created and I think it looks really cool. And if you're happy with it, you can click this button to save it to your computer. So that's how you can put your own product into this premium encased glass using only ChatGPT. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you on my next video. I wish you a great day ahead.